This is Sparta!
Anyway, the big mama but I can't touch the back. He make Masicka look like mosquito. He make Masicka look like mosquito.
Sparta, some fish we pray man undress outside. Anyway, we drive up. Suck pussy Tommy Lee, you will lie down a ground. Suck pussy Tommy Lee, you will lie down a ground.
Big up yourself, people. We're there, open have a drink, open have a smoke. Open a year while go on nice streets. This is the newest government diversion. This from the Matrix. They don't want to talking about Hurricane Melissa no more, so they want to talk about this, which the algorithm say Masicka and Tommy Lee clash. But they don't know. If a music we have a review, we have to have a crew, which is the best music reviewers in our industry. I can ask on no favorites. You see what I say? Yeah, man.
Hey.
Nobody do it like Colonel Rest.
Hey, I remember me telling me in the last video. Don't put the name there specifically for him, you know. Stop saying weird shit like that. That is what I don't be that person this time. See we guess there. So you know him go introduce himself directly. People be your voice,
man, I want to tune in, man.
You see it. Alright, then I want just tune in. Well, as me I say, music, the music that we are come out now. I go always make a chat about them, you know.
Don't recognize him today. Is still the towel guy. Okay? Yeah.
Towel guy.
Yo,
Man with the towel.
Maybe in saying this about the latest dancehall artists them. Them are trying to be subliminal. So you me I say no. You see, as much as me hear what go on now, because Tommy Lee trap me listen Masicka own it, you know. As much as me hear say someone a beat Tommy Lee, respect to Tommy Lee, yes, sir. And respect to, when you call it, Spartans them. Because Spartans them no play, you know, Spartans step out and call name.
He make Masicka look like mosquito.
And that we are talking about from day one. Yo.
I believe.
Alright, it's all this man, if there is a clash and this man lose the clash, me still go give him respect for that. He can call name, bro.
Nah, man, him in a history. Him in a history and in a hurricane song. Him in a dancehall history. Him start a resurrection at dancehall.
Yep, Virgin, you know, see even cartel now call name. Come like you know see. Yeah, it is them a run from call name.
Big girl, me tell you this right now. Rokum Gaza. You see me, I said just tune in, say Gaza. You see me, originally. Yeah, what?
Oh.
What's up?
Hey, boy, yo, listen me. You're not talking now. Kai two year artist now call name, he even talk a who shoot after him, you know. I know.
No, them not informer
your
thing.
artist now call no name. Brother, your artist now call no name at all. They say
them
only name your artist call is DJ Khaled.
He last this song my artist do for your song. He tell your artist straight say I'm gonna send Shorty compile you. So you go and talk to my artist. Them on the band with the empire. I tell him the
Call what kind of name. If you ever call a name, you get a nice man on stage and say, boy, right now the youth here, clash always start on your so. See? Our so-called clash. You know, say we lead to two man them see them one another dance and just a war start. Either by them friend them or by the two of them.
Yeah, man, the camp, man. You look at follow back among them, man.
Exactly, dog. The youth a war no like Bunty and Beanie days a war. A different thing. Remember me
they want to take it real personal, man.
Yeah, they want to take it personal, man. So when I hear them want to come back with a reply, you see? And I just want pencil reply, Virgin. He really feels so in their heart.
Because for the moment, Masicka, they listen to the Masicka song, then I feel them mind now. Can't wait to book up Masicka run another stage show there. I want to come back a sun first.
You see it?
You see it? I don't feel
right now, two man them start a musical clash. And they increase security right now. I tell you, Masicka security increase. And Tommy Lee security increase. Because if we go to studio and book the boy, we know something we kick off.
Masicka tell himself, come see me in person, man, that thing.
Yeah, man.
rise up with it done, hey. See, no one so I'm in this car, that and everything all if up in the thing now, anything now, thing now, me on the breeze, me walk, lose my mind.
I says, pull up his Sparta.
Funny so GP rising every murderer, but some luckily shows force rap mendical.
Oh, this is part of one line. You see, man, I brought up himself in the intro. No, your intro mad. You hear man say,
I never
be
say-
what you is not,
Yo.
be what you're not.
I never say man have one line, you know, Papa. I say the man have one wicked line. That's what I said. The one wicked line is calling out the artist with the on top right now, where everybody are run with. That, well, let me ask you a question. You hear about the man song, right? You did hear about be what you be, don't be what you not. You did hear about that? No, you hear about
No.
Masicka and Mosquito.
Exactly.
No,
No,
you see to that point,
Yeah.
Tommy Lee might be the only man may ever see preview of Blows and Skirts this track. You know what I mean? So that it just give fuel to where Lord Kush say, I just overnight food man hot again. You know what I'm saying? Cause dog, really actually you start preview on this track and preview part I say turn Masicka in a Mosquito. Then that Masicka would I hear that from day one then if I saw be case and write this song and I wait for you for drop for your full song. That
Alright.
it just not dog. I just hot again.
Alright, we
That again.
can all acknowledge say Tommy Lee career did literally get tarnished though.
Yeah, no doubt.
So
No,
so
I used
Tommy
to
Lee not get it.
them-
Yeah, cause to me Tommy Lee did at a foreign enough time more than out of yard, you know, bro. Because me have one demon persona where foreign of them run with. You see?
Yesterday, I tell Chevy, if Tommy Lee had said Gaza, had said Sparta, come up with Sparta
Yeah.
earlier, me would have no choice but to dep on the Gaza side right now because when Vado dropped Final Destination, dog, 012, and left me and Ghana Blows and Skirts foreign brother, left Jamaica Ghana foreign dog. Me not have an artist no more.
Ah.
Tommy Lee forward with Alabama, no make me feel so money maker paper money be a tune dog hits.
I imagine remember say through the time they saying a young people like who no keep Tommy Lee career alive in a dog.
In,
No
bro.
fight big
Yeah,
no fight big
them ya dog.
no fight big this jockey
Then
them.
Maybe remember a little car one them and the one them was shaped like apple.
Yeah. And a square one. Then me tell us that tablet when the place the entire day boom box
Yeah.
just come out.
A week I tell dog. Memory
Yo.
card and download. Oh.
But then in the
Yeah,
dog, you see, he producer them. Man, them will build beat or sitting. And any man could have sent them beat to Tommy Lee, you know. Because if you send it to Tommy Lee, you can't send it to Killer name and then, you know. Because them man, nah go on it, you know. No, them man, nah go on it. Them man, they don't go on it, man. They man tell you say, they not on no demon business, brother.
As we explain to Tall Dog, say, you know, Tommy Lee, they really want clash, you know. You come like the little African pick them all over and kicky gate. And last when the kicky gate and they hope me get him salt. And that I'm to Tommy Lee, because man expect Masicka if don't reply, say fine man, one big song like straight dog. That's why man shoot to a video feed, you know. The man expect some Masicka to reply.
I go reply
At
to
that time,
no, I must say Masicka now go reply so.
See me, so you don't get no answer after one day with the doctor.
Yeah.
When I take a look at the doctor, I come forward and Jaffras, you know. Jaffras a bad artist to me when it come to this grimy world, you know, but Devin the doctor accomplish more. So if me no blow, answer you. Zine, and when me would have love to say, when me there explain to Rumpum, reason why me say Alkaline and Masicka will give Tommy Lee an answer any day of the week. If I even want subliminal where Alkaline would have normally do. Zine, it's because the man them come out in one class, bro. You know, you ever watch him a hip hop XL class, synthing XXL class where he whole and rapper them were boss in the year there. And them put on one freestyle something like one cypher. The man them forward out the same class charge it. You see what I said? So we can't use levels card. Gauge is the same thing. If Gauge call any one type of way, we get answer to dog if I even want one subliminal because respect
you.
you.
Get answer. It's supposed to get answer that me believe because you as the artist.
all of them are fire fan 13.
You as the artist. You as the artist not supposed to say this a man not no career when you know different. Same man have career.
No, when me I say is even if you not have no career, it's just for the respect for know so we also go to same school then.
Yeah.
What are we graduate?
It's same
You see
class.
what I say?
I said class, same level, yeah.
Can say is opposed to me with a more for answer somebody for me age group than answer Chevy. You see what I say?
But Tommy Lee, I
I
want
just
bad
see
man. Tommy Lee, I want bad man. Cause me I said this for a long time. Say yo, I wonder if Popcorn will realize. Or I'm just say he not answer. But Tommy Lee violate Popcorn long time, you know.
no go to the microwave, papi. Put
Blood
on your
clot.
RPG.
Plug out the microwave, puppy. Brother, from this, me I say, youth, what a piece of violation. Eh?
Tell us say popcorn when popcorn go forward and say
You know
exercise
Popcorn
team
know.
man.
You know Popcorn know.
Exercise.
No, as a next Gaza man. As a next Gaza man, exercise in him, man, puppy. Brother, remember saying, you know Popcorn where just throw in a microwave, no? He look a flat bag and then he just open and get big. You know what I call them, puppy? And what that thing man I tell you say plug out the microwave, dog. You didn't have to bother start pop.
Me no know if that me sure of that. And that you boy and boy did I say? Did I allude to? So, I just blow your soul.
You see me? So you be calling Dave like that for a long time. I thought me like one bad man, virgin. And that me I tell you, yeah,
But me
me
just
back
say-
in family.
Tamili was to be my artist. It's just because he's still attached to the Gaza brand. Me never have him as my artist. And Masicka fill the space there. So here we go on. Me was looking forward hearing when this are produced. So me just want to show people them. So when I beat Tamili, Zin, do not believe that is the
No,
key.
you can't beat him. Can you me start the video?
Rhymes in my drop on the one. Yeah. You see me I say?
You can't beat him, you know,
Did I-
can you me start the video? You see, so you can't beat him, can you me start the video? This is Sparta! You better know that blood clot. This has me start it.
That's
You
what
know
the generation. The man say, the man use the Kung Fu Panda intro. The man say, fly to Thailand prison and tell them double the guns. Thailand does not escape that cell. Me I say, bombo clap.
Many words there. I said, you don't have advice.
Yeah.
I tell him to weigh the device, so you have to make everything work, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because, watch this, if I put the two of them on stage, we clash, you know. I tell me, I'm going to win, you know. If I
It's a
put them on
stage
the
dog. It's a stage dog. Dude-wise, he not going to win.
Tommy Lee most
I've never heard
Yo, Tommy Lee
Masicka.
most
Never,
Tommy Lee most stage
Masicka go.
commanding for real. Tommy Lee have a most
Mhm.
stage command.
I never hear Masicka go up on anything, no song, no track, no rhythm like this, where me say to myself, say, ooh, him had the better lyrics. But we tell you, say, he have a better song because the vibe better for me, where I play music loud. You see what I say?
Yeah.
But me now tell you, say, it lyrics. Because if you check it, you remember Target, when did I this Alkaline?
Where you say? Tommy Lee have no better song, no better lyrics than Masicka, that you say.
No, I've never seen them whether on a track together or on the same rhythm when me go, oh, you know, Tommy Lee win.
You could hear more nice.
But that's also make road back a track. But that's make hear more nice to hey.
Funny so
Who
deep,
should have
you're
made the
rising
artist?
every
I
murder.
hear
Rap
man
on
some
some
man
affiliations,
some
force
start. Really?
Funny so deep, you're rising every murder. Rap on some affiliations, force rap mendicat. No street credit and a black murder. Bungalow, some money, some drama. Turn around and forget never run off a black. No little boy can give us a chance. Be what I be, don't be what I not. And a size up with it done, ayy. Wanna see, you know why so. I'm in this car, that and everything only for anything, no, anything, no, anything, no, me don't need breeze, me walk. Lose my mind, I'm fucking Virgin Island. The curse my bloodline, give me certain to kill me. Why about your bloodline? Totally get down some usury. Let me sit down and watch it. Be a killer without a one rush. Run a bumbo every bone in here, bro. Come around with a 3 piece in 9 cut. Come around with me smoking night cut. Mega up, empty the clip and reload the turbo down. Put in the piece of smoke mode. Me mega dump on the well line in I road. The lumber down in a nasty distraught. Gravy memory of it out in I road. Beat them with acid, the sink and I hold. Melt the pump, get 4 rifleman roll. My friend them full up a bomb class suit. Alone at no street credit and a black murder.
Yo. Hey, listen, man. Tommy Lee a star. And that's all me can say Tommy Lee a star. He dropped maybe the big like for Masicka one, you know.
Cause I say we watching video when you go up on YouTube already for watching. Me tell you with Tammy, you know, what make you go and dance to Tammy. You see moment you drink up your room or whatever, they start playing Tammy. You know why you ever saying I don't see vibes on the beat, you go start you know
Let me
dancing.
not tell you, dog. Then that's why he eventually have the rock to him down. To you get me I say, because I tell you, say, you can literally do some will vibe the three song them for real, bro. Big man thing. Until you hear one where you have to bust two blank. Like when me say uno fi bust a blank car.
Rush if you on loudspeaker, as long as Tammy dey on loudspeaker, you
Man,
go
I done it
move.
done, man. I done it done. Remember me tell you.
Boy can't give girls a chance. Be what I be, don't be what I not. I no size up with it done, ayy. Oh, see, you know why so. I'm in discard that and everything only for anything no, anything no, anything no. Me only breeze me walk me. Lose my mind, I'm fucking Virgin Island. The curse my bloodline, give me certain to kill me. War about the bloodline, totally get them some new series. Let me sit down and watch it. Be a killer without a bomb rush. Run the bomb boy, every bone in here, bro. Come around, 3 piece in 9 cut. Come around, make me smoking night cut. Mega up, empty the clip and reload the turbo down. Put in the piece of smoke mode. The veg dump on the well line in I road. The lumber down in a nasty bitch throat. Gravy them murphy out in I road. Pay them with acid the sink and I hold. Make the pump get 4 rifleman roll. My friend them full up a bomb class suit. Alone at half 4 kick off your bitch note. She ride the sword, let me bust off in her throat. Me turn it back way, me clock the kill out. Spitting off face, I say love me bitch. Out of control, hold me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Out of control, half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Me half the control. Soon a hole when the corner shoot. Look off the lonely tune in my hammer suit. When the hammer move, every hammer move. Cap up the bomb, I like in the commander move. Me ever have a thought, me ever have a ruthless man. Find a yard, I'm a killer, my movie. Line a dog, they like a Call of Duty. My kind of thought, I shall kill the fuse. If I'm a jumper,
How they say, yo, man chat about Looney Tunes look a while, you know. Man just chat about call man chat about Looney Tunes look a while in a chat, you know. Man just chat about Call of Duty look a while, you know, brother. Yo, this a youth, yeah.
I dance style like man.
I don't see style that, bro. Big man thing.
so you don't know should I come fi fungus. Shots it down to you turn over wrong. Got the aroma swag, make it cloud the dark up. Conga, when the hunger them. No one on work club, boy, I call my size away in the air. Anyway, the green mama but I can't touch the back. He make Masicka, do like mosquito. Some incendiary bully when we drop liver. You could have flashed the car. In the work club, boy, I call my size away in the air. Anyway, the green mama but I can't touch the back. He make Masicka, do like mosquito. Some incendiary bully when we drop liver. You could have flashed the car. Anyway, the green mama but I can't touch the back. He make Masicka, do like mosquito. Some incendiary bully when we drop liver. You could have flashed the car. He make Nazi black. See where the dust every bus is all drastic. He make top shiver. I am Black River. Tell her happy the fire to pass vaccine. This if you go for me gun, me just go feet and murder. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Everybody is half the control, me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the. Everybody is half the control, me half the control. She bring me down, see me love it, about the money, to bring me down, baby. All of me half the control, me half the control.
Bro, me just a look for how them a go pressure Tommy Lee. To Tommy Lee get charged what they are. They are strapped. The police them pressure him like grass, you know. Him now did ball for one video. For one voice note, I mean. When Cartel did a jail and with the fuck and him a ball. And you go do one diss track against one next artist. That not gonna live down. My blood clot. That now go live down
But
at all.
I tell all before say everybody in clash are gonna use our tapes. Remember the ball,
Everybody,
man. So,
man. Every single body, man. I go ball, man. Everybody. Look, Lord. Hey, listen me. You see if you continue go and do this, one artist, you not gonna be one Masicka, you know, it's gonna be one younger artist, you know. Come do one track and put that said blood clot in my ball in a track. Yeah, bet. Them are
yeah,
gonna
I see
use
a
it
thing
in a track.
everybody else that alkaline would do.
Yeah, them are gonna
If
use
you
it in
want
a
him.
track, man. Eh.
But
Them
when
are
we
gonna do
feel say
that.
Tommy come back with your Tommy, I go say, remember, you come apologize to Cartel after with this, you know, or something like that. They go say, well, it's spell no sense.
Yeah, why can't use that saying?
Nah, stop him.
Where Masicka D come do, you know, and apologize to one younger artist where Masicka do right now, I violate even cartel because a whole of Jamaica know this. Anybody step to anyone out of Gaza, them in the worst what the cartel I deal with now. Cartel not like that. You get me I say?
Yo, don't
The
talk in
cartel
the
not
ears.
like that,
Don't talk.
man.
No, listen me now. Don't speak on what you don't know.
Eh.
Away Sparta intro go. Be who you be or don't be who you don't be or something like that. Cause right now you don't listen to my state, you know. So you not even know what to expect, you know. You talk so
No, but
right now, you know what
no, but when me
you
attack
want.
when me attack a facts, Virgin, if if
Yeah,
anybody step to one of Gaza member them, we worse we cartel
yeah.
are linked with right now. Cartel now love that. He might not come answer in a when career then no. But if I back then, right? He might go show up and say you can't test none of Gaza them. You hear that? And he might look for alright. He might look for Gaza member robot no matter who he be. So that me I tell you.
I am a tell Tommy Lee to plug out the microwave now.
Oh.
Oh, we can't play Masicka, you know. Oh, we hear
Oh.
it nice.
If me say me a the go town for vex, my color still a goat in the west. Yeah. Hey Bob, you want the king and not no less about the bad no but no press and shot.
Hey. Hold on, man.
Let me turn up my phone for that one.
Nah, make it pass that tonight. That she go to man having a video. Also.
Well,
Listen,
shh. Stop spoil the track. You
Alright.
know,
Town for vex. My color still.
Oh. Go on.
the man say MJ are still a king in the West. The man
MK.
attack the sheep, them and he cult them. So cults and sheep, the Gaza sheeps and the Delta cults, I hope y'all hearing me. To all who are saying, the man is no king or no goat or whatever the king is, or whatever the thing is. Baba still the greatest. He must still the best.
Yeah.
MJ
But when
are still
say,
the West.
Who is MK?
me I say, man
MJ,
can refer to Michael Jackson or Michael Jordan.
MJ is it?
I'm music industry, so we're gonna
Oh.
take Jackson.
So it's MJ.
Like I said, any one of them might go eventually, whether Jordan or Jackson.
Mm-hmm. So you see how a man use back to somebody them we are so if make a conversation about
Yeah.
Bob and you see him decision, you see say him in line with when me did that thing. MJ, you're still the best in the West.
I'm Bob.
You see me?
I'm Bob.
But Bob, don't forget, man. You see me? Yeah.
Bob not really involved in a dancehall thing still, you know. In a dancehall scene,
Music.
you know.
That's all. We are talking about music, dog. The game. That we are talking about.
Yeah.
The game.
So-
Who really are control the game. So if we bring man just a break the lowest point, if we talk about king, dog, I put
Remember
dead
nobody
man.
now, you know.
No,
Remember
but
nobody now would sell. And that man
Man, and
literally-
yeah,
try read.
but me I said try say this nobody now outsell Bob. See? But me
So
I
that
say
man I
oh,
show you.
so hold on, listen me I say no.
Yeah.
No boy now listen me I say. See?
Mhm.
Bob and cartel type of thing, a two different type of thing, Virgin. And that's why when you have
Alright.
hear the king of dancehall and the king
Alright,
of
well,
reggae is Bob. We can acknowledge that the
Stop it,
king of reggae is Bob.
Let me tell you what
But the
man I
king
try
of
to say. Tap it,
dancehall now. See?
Alright, tap continue.
Eh.
So make sure you see the way man I say. You remember when
Me don't
Chronics
know.
come and yo, me never hear no song I play in Pakistan. And that man I could use back, you know. He man make you know say Bob Marley them still a do it. Marley a big CM. So we are talking about cartel
Yeah,
things. So no, like
no, me understand that they
That's-
live light, you know. Yeah, me understand that they live light. But me I say when him a do this now, right? All right, I would like yeah, I would like him to try say what you know. Well, Michael Jackson still a run hip hop over so. Seeing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and Bob Marley still a run reggae out here so, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But me
All
I
right.
say
That now.
dancehall. When we chat about dancehall now, we not say about Marley
Mm-hmm.
around dancehall, brother. We're not saying that shit.
All right. All right. My next sense on that now with the Bob with Michael Jackson. And
Yeah.
the West, all right, what me feel say that? I said, remember I said G them out tell Michael Jackson no, but people still I say Michael Jackson a goat. So you still can't more one goat. I probably that man I try to say. Cause the G them a do it there, you know.
Yeah, that me I
But
try to
yes,
say no. That me I try to say we
Jackson,
acknowledge
Yo,
them people they good no doubt. You understand me?
listen to me.
But where
Listen to me.
Jamaica content about the king a dancehall. The goat then
Alright,
see yeah.
you see, Chevy,
Cartel
this
never
make me
yet
know like,
compare up to Bob. Cartel never yet compare up to Bob. And people still a give him the king of dancehall. And that me I try say. See? So when Masicka
no, we
compete, when Masicka compete, boy, either it king of reggae or dancehall. Which one?
yo, what's the classification for the charts?
remember say dancehall and there again. When you have a Grammy, you know.
The classification for the charts, you have reggae. I suppose reggae dancehall then call it, I mean I know.
Me I tell you, so that's why the man say back
Play back his
as
song.
To me, I
back.
go town for vex. My color still a goat in the west. Hey, Bob, you want the king and not no less. About the bad, no, but no press and shot to stitch up on no flesh. We no day man, yam sex panther. Some fish we pray man undress. Scared, me watch your pussy face, father heard. When gunman, one crocodile west side on my sound. Pull it up and face, spoil up a crown. South side, anywhere we drive up. Suck pussy Tommy Lee, you will lie down a ground. Bout psycho, you cry to guy pan phone. I'm a break up, pussy you a swipe your clown. Shut a striker, a gun rise like town. Man a hype you, feel we badness a home ground. Jump broke like not the west.
Oh, we might go live down that same cry on phone. I don't know to blood clot.
Hey, Bob, you want the king and not no less. About the bad, no, but no press and shot.
Amount that thing them already a say about him man, my lord. The man ball pan phone and get start and no not talk say man all so much pussy and hey, hey, coke and hey, you know he's off a man.
No, no, what kind of war you go pick up on yourself right now? Still, you know, a trouble here.
Monday,
But
man.
your Chevy said, the man see everybody run and kick the gate and the owner no come out. And him run now. We don't come here, me. You see?
This man go take.
Assault man, sorry, brother.
Huh?
Why already chat me clear still?
You wanna well I didn't idea in assault cause we are chat about him, everybody people are chat about him. Our MGK
No.
MGK.
We can't appreciate insult in the same way. I don't like we
Yeah.
can't appreciate it.
I don't like you know boss neither. Family will always be family.
Big established artist charge. We say man could do one song a year, dog. You need this.
Cause to me I said that for
Honestly,
what time yeah? When me I say that Masicka supposed to do. One artist fi come call him name and him fi no itch.
Yeah,
Him fi just
it all
come
dog.
murder that.
How much months ago we have the conversation there? When Autocrat drop? How much months ago we have the conversation there?
Yeah, it's same thing. Tabas said to me last night. I see that it room for myself, so we go stitch back. Like it, I said, I stitch up back if the way and post it here.
Nobody does it like when we say review, we review. And we predict.
Yeah, man.
Anybody
If he does fight, if that was a long time, and that kind decide to watch, you know, name and everything I call, man. What the blood clot you say?
And what did say?
Some me had to go town for vex.
Established artist.
Eh?
You did personally say it had to be an established artist.
Yeah.
See them?
So you know because you see.
You see me I say? I saw they try to get one hype off of Alkaline, but look country boy sent it. Yeah, nobody. You don't get no answer. It's alright. Hold yourself. You try this all the one man we boss you in your camp. Popcorn.
Boy,
you don't know.
Boy, me I say, me ain't talk about the full end part of it, you know. We go, me ain't talk about the full end result of this thing, yeah. How we go know if one Alkaline did they sit down, I easy and say, hey, that a go on. Okay, so well I know. You did only wait for somebody to call a name. Alright, so you will go on now. See?
So him name that. Him name know that. Him
no, hold on. No, listen me. You listen me. Because all what go on, you not understand, you know, saying you may have something can dash pan Tommy Lee, you know. Saying ball in a track and ray, you know. Seeing? You know, to have no holy parrot for sure at the blind eye boy, you know. Because you see, but I say, he don't, but listen me, the blind eye boy hold up his career, so pussy wall. But I would have watched the one track now.
Likewise, when the blind eye boy have to show, when they really have to show at Masicka, a man career clean cut. When they really have to show at him, he be trying to do the fuck.
No, they not
I mean,
show at him, but lyrics.
So I say, bro, you have to come here with lyrics.
Exactly. So that me I try to say, and that me I try to say, and that simply that me I try to say, and you know, we have a say like cult following base. Do a track now. At you target at you know. You can't go deny and sign it, you know. You get
No man, if that bro, if Alkaline ever had said Massy, just
answer.
Just if he just even said the word properly, there was a massacre in Canada. He dead. He dead.
That's what Alkaline do, you know. So when do the 6 them on jar them, you know, call name and jar them out. Tell me I said that the little bit now really working a call name and show me see how wicked.
Massacre to in the same set they were in jar the 6 with, you know. I just the 6 them click for the beat. Yeah man, but run the tune.
All me I say all of them look run one boy. Yeah. Better give thanks say world boss got jail and go get grave disease. Hey, pussy wall on that. Hey, I trouble on it, you know. World boss did
Alkaline. I'm Alkaline for 7 years out. I straight to be a subliminal and make everybody feel like it okay. Suck them girl then again. No praise.
I wanna pussy them to free with the subliminal thing. Me not gonna deny that. Bumbo clad subliminal thing. Hey, you hear me? Respect again, Tommy Lee. A Masicka, bumbo clad, that wanna come like
my color still a goat in the west. Hey, Bob, you want the king and not no less. About the bad, no but no press and shot to stitch up on no flesh. We no day man, yam sex panther. Some fish we pray man undress. Scared, me watch your pussy face father heard. When gunman, one pass crocodile west side on my sound. Pull it up and face in, smile up a crown.
You call him a look wild, Skirtle?
No, I saw name Family's son.
Name so?
Skirtle.
Family
big son is my artist too, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man. Now me have one son an artist, man. Well, say man.
So far man can go bigs. My blood clot. You see man so far bigs.
I get shot by the wall.
Man take it too far, bigs. Man take it too far, you know, bigs.
You see war, you have aspects to war, dog. You see what I say?
Yeah.
A man pull on Eminem. A man care film son in an argument to, you know, so no matter feel like a few son one me mention, you know.
Yeah, that you want to hear. How big is this that in a song? You dog use his son. Play sir.
Man, yam sex panther, some fish we pray man undress. Scared, me watch your pussy face father heard. When gunman, one pass crocodile west side on my sound. Pull it up and face in, smile up a crown. South side, anywhere we drive up. So pussy Tommy Lee, you will lie down a ground. Bout psycho, you cry to guy pan phone, I'm a break up. Pussy you a swipe your clown, shot a striker. A gun rise 9 town, man a hype you. Feel we badness a home ground. Jump broke like dog, look a pussy way on. Your Mali out years, your career just a drown. A gunman buy canteen fat rounds, buy mummy house split. Straight cash not loan. Buy mine from my boss, couple whip, couple crumb. And that time I don't know, shut a flick now your dome. You pop the Mali, then you yam the dolly. Shut a cramp your body, rip up the freak now your bum. Hey boy, they a jail and a beg me call them, but the killer never do it. Come and say you're a clown. Trinidad, Guyana, Worcester, Georgetown, Linston, gonna fire pussy me so can't found. Hey Bob, you want the
brother, and the color go fuck it, I go fuck up to you, because you know they can't hear everything this man I say. Tommy Lee with him rice, where you know what that style. Like you can't really hear everything when you say so good. So it I go fuck up this man, I go always a win in the dark. Can you hear everything with this man I say, you know? My blood clot. Him man I tell you say boy they are jail and make me collab. But the killer never do it.
And that's the whole I start for.
Eh?
And that's what I start for. And watch now. If you remember,
Yeah, assume side because everybody has a way start from say collab. And people have a belief say collab. There you go, son.
Masicka come here, man. And I hit me and show you say Smokey, what you all match side now that me I tell the man them say Masicka pre-man in the dog, cause fuck you go on, you know. After Masicka this blow Skeng and say, yo, compare me to who you upsetting. Put a millip on a silly head and make it crook sweat him. You come back to do one song with Skeng, Protocol Part 2. But now run no black business charge. You see me I say the song there, you can do Part 2.
Yeah.
When boy this me, I remember me and you do have one collaboration song when we say him re-link or something like no.
Yeah, man.
Yellow
Yes,
follow
man.
back a little
Eh,
much.
no, but Walana, he only show say it makes sense for you. Cause watch if an artist, any man that pre the way, and if you go in jail and you're artist, it's when you come back out in a year, your career drop at some point. Cause you never did that work, you know. So you want back some collab for you. So not getting
No,
it from
from in you want it.
yeah. So I
I find
say,
in
so what I know what
Like
me
you
I say.
try
So what me I
part of
say
my
is
career, man. Tie me up with your look of fucker if you say Masicka in vehicle with criminal behind ours and there's thing there.
then
At my
dog,
high
that me I
point in
try
my
say. That me I try say not getting the collab from Masicka then. Coming from jail now. And the youth which is king. Have a following base said we and hide upon him. Doing the protocol part 2 with King. Will make sense because they don't want the collab to get out the career back out there already. You get me? I say?
makes sense.
because if because I'm trying to Skeng help Tommy Lee and Tommy Lee that jail, you know, because Tommy
Yeah.
Lee biggest song.
How it's King?
Listen me so.
Yeah.
I go on, but the Skeng a jump in the war, you know. By a man in Skeng right up sitting, you know. Pussy we all call puppet. You know me, I be a man let me pop. Ready
Yo,
music.
I my Mali
watch out
boss.
smoke it.
Eh.
Watch out smoke it. I see him collab business make Jaffras vex and a chew a word to me here, you know. Zine.
Yeah, I cut that business with Jaffras and Bex with Masicka. I mean, I want to man call up. The man girl.
Nah man, I can't watch another dog. You watch no. It's like I say you show your ratings for your artists, you know. So watch out. If conscience was feeling Masicka right now for your collab. And Masicka don't do it. Conscience in himself would have feel a way too. If you know say
Yeah,
when your career did
Oh, you cheap.
down, it's when your career did down, and me you did can work with to get your career up there. So any artist would have pre that whether you work with him or not. It's like you'd have pre said that well, me and you always a live good. We're not enemy.
Yeah. We can see with the conscience thing different, but what Jaffras now, yeah, Masicka and a friend, nothing. Conscience now, bleed help Masicka, we can see with that. And Masicka negative message say Jaffras want the color. But probably Jaffras no know, you see me? And jump out and beg to the man have I'm to them girl.
I would have like a co-worker thing, Virgin, if you understand. Police we pray the same way. If you know say well watch me a police and this boy see me a drive in a town and me have no seat belt and he see me a police. Allow him to love me because we are co-worker. But this a police with all fees say pussy old boy you know get me does not like you. I see him with artist pre say you watching a dog at me and your friend. You want collab boy you have to pay me 250,000 US. So that alone will make artist pre say yo.
The reality of that way you just use look while is if me a traffic police, you will with them on one rank. If me tell myself I'm on one higher rank, there's no way I'm supposed to be caught talking to you on one level like a favoritism.
Yeah, you see it.
So that is just the reality part there. So me understand what you're saying there, you see me, but reality of the part there, close to this bomber clat, yeah man. Boy, if you gonna know yourself. Differently charge it. A man them a pre-up Masicka for a long time charges. You see me I say? So that bro.
Yo, brother, watch this now. Heavy is the head that wear the crown. I don't simple that.
Dog,
You always get the payments, bro.
You remember Tommy Lee where I'm pretty sure you say a true Masicka attack. You remember Tommy Lee? You remember saying get 2 collab, one with Ladno where they there in a prison with him, and a bad song Judgment Day from Chronic Law. The next switchy youth.
So yeah, just the kind of class is switchy.
I mean, you know, see that.
I know miss so Mali dance so in a news.
You don't need to see that. The man has 6, 7, 8, or 10. You don't need to the panel and then have to tell you that.
Blood clot.
Look.
Where's the man at 6, 7, 8, and 10?
Yeah, bro.
And one la. Yeah,
One, the man start.
and one.
Do you know?
Yo,
Run the music.
at least they can't see nothing because I don't like you tell a blood clot. So.
Man, yam sex part or some fish we pray man undress. Scared, me watch your pussy face father heard. When gunman, one plant crocodile west side on my sound. Bullet up a face, spoil up a crown. South side, anywhere we drive up. Some pussy Tommy Lee, you will lie down a ground. Bout psycho, you cry to guy pan phone. I'm a break up, pussy you a swipe your clown. Shot a striker, a gun rise nine town. Man a hype you, feel we badness a home ground. Jump broke like dog, look a pussy way on. Your Mali out yours, your career just a chown. A gunman buy can't in fat rounds. Buy mummy yours, straight cash not loan. Buy mine from my boss, couple whip, couple crumb. And that time I don't know, shut a flick now your dome. You pop the Mali, then you yam the dolly. Shut a cramp your body, rip up the freak now your bum.
So it show you say Masicka have pre-mens panido. Even if Tommy Lee and may have no pre-mens boty. Masicka have pre-mens boty say boy, you lick me for a collab when in a jail, I ain't get it. And you come out and go do song with me enemy. And that's why I'm around with the Mali thing so because the man enemy, the man that the enemy crown by for pop Mali.
Hey, turn on fear mic now. And give you advice, Chevy. Cause that me tell you last night, and that's why I bring forward to you a pine about Tommy Lee doing the song with fucking Skeng. And that's why I bring up the pint then, dog. Because I tell Chevy say dog, let me tell you why the song you forward so fast. Me believe Masicka write this rascal a long time. And just decide say, oh, me never give this a pussy and advice. You see me?
Yeah, because for last time when me and Tala don't talk, my virgin call me hear, Me say call back Tala and say Tala, yo, me just hear Masicka. Wait, it's already.
Yeah man, Masicka did
yeah.
man. Masicka did Dex. When Tommy Lee come out and go this song, Masicka did Dex. But here one now.
But
he couldn't really say nothing because he denied the youth one collab. So he have to do season himself.
Alright. You come now and I come do song and I call me name.
And I call me name night man. Oh God man, I did so forget.
You chill and I beg me call them, but the killer never do it. Come and say you're clown. Shinny bad, Kayana, who say Georgetown. Linsted gonna fire pussy me so can't found. Circle Moby and still 6 compound. You know it's Likkle bricks run down. Then you yam the dolly, shut a cramp your body, rip up the freak now your bone. Hey boy, you chill and I beg me call them, but the killer never do it. Come and say you're clown. Shinny bad, Kayana, who say Georgetown. Linsted gonna fire pussy me so can't found. Circle Moby and still.
Hey,
if me say me had to go.
when I see everybody for the panel and boss gunshot. When I see everybody for the panel and boss gunshot, they know say the track hot. The track hot.
What's it?
For vex. My color still a goat in the west. Hey, Bob, you want the king and not no less. About the bad, no but no press and shot to stitch up on no flesh. We no day man, yam sex part or some fish we pray man undress. Scared, me watch your pussy face father heard. When gunman, one plant crocodile west side on my sound. Bullet up a face, spoil up a crown. South side, anywhere we drive up. Some pussy Tommy Lee, you will lie down a ground. Bout psycho, you cry to guy pan phone. I'm a break up, pussy you a swipe your clown. Shot a striker, a gun rise 9 town. Man a hype you, feel we badness a home ground. Jump broke like dog, look a pussy way on. Your Mali out yours, your career just a chown. A gunman buy can't in fat rounds. Buy mummy yours, straight cash not loan. Buy mine from my boss, couple whip, couple crumb. And that time I don't know, shut a flick now your dome. You pop the Mali, then you yam the dolly. Shut a cramp your body, rip up the freak now your bum. Hey boy, there you chill and I beg me call them, but the killer never do it. Come and say you're clown. Shinny bad, Kayana, who say Georgetown. Linsted gonna fire pussy me so can't found. Circle Moby and still 6 compound. You know it's Likkle bricks run down. Bury some US and I lift up some pound. And I fly round the world, look a freak, watch your town. We shot fish, more hard for control. Me nah no than your bossy control. Buck him a go be and clot it on toll. Hot metal and no glass the pan hole. Sick of you run the game, no lost the control. One day you jail and I beg me call them, but the killer never do it. Come and say you're a clown. Trinidad, Guyana, who say Georgetown? Linston gonna fire pussy, miss you can't found. Circle mommy, you still 6 compound. You know, no, it's Likkle bricks run down. Carry some US and I lift up some pound. And I fly round the world, look a freak, watch your town. We shot fish, more hard for control. Me nah no than I do bossy control. Bucky ma go be and clot it and toll. Hot metal and no glass the punch your town. We shot fish, more hard for control. Me nah no than I do bossy control. Bucky ma go be and clot it and toll. Hot metal and no glass the pan hole. Sick of you run the game, no lost the control. Suck your mama boy, dark up and boy. Can't spend when a saucy man call a nasty man that you want 40 man roll. Watch 40 ball, bust and walk with man soul. People for dead, my dog them all stroll. Clip load, fire half in our moon. Me no beg links, me no laugh in I road. Nothing in me have me no braff in I road. Trigger press, brain jump off thin like toad. Stop get the girl them coke and no code. Take him off fine glow, I'm 17 on the board. Matic a fire. If me see me and the go down for vex, my color still go to the door. Hey, Bobby, want the king and none less. I'm a do bad no but no precision, Christy Chapono. Hey, me no demon, yam sex. Fanta some fish, a pre-man and dress. Scared, me see the pussy face father. When ground got one press, try this punty and him take care for stage. Look a boy down a river turn in front and crowd. Me no ride man, wave some Masicka and walk proud. Me look a son rich, I die, you my tank loud.
Hey boy, yeah, hear me? What is that?
No,
Well, at this body, what is that? At this body, because everybody be listen, 48 laws of power, you know. But track and point, that's what they're saying. But they say young artists while highlighting bigger artists them. So you see, even when the bigger artists them like Killer them listening track, even them I go even Killer himself, you know. I go get this a track he upper hand, you know why? This a track I tell you say me no do no demon thing on that's a pussy. Cause demon do what? I watch you know, and I tell you say you try this Killer. I Killer take you off a stage. Bro.
Killer glad for couple reasons. Killer glad for that because Masicka have 2 collab with him still. So a big tune them too, you see me?
Yeah, no,
Masicka now this kid.
No, well, alright. Me talk about the bigger
He has
people
a
them
power,
watch. It's when Killer did say what he say. It's when Killer did say what he say. You see bigger people them when they da follow Killer. Them know what go and say this a track a better track.
Yeah.
You understand?
I take it, man. I know what you say. I know what you say.
I don't think I monetization line use though. I just for sure say I'll be a Killer take you off.
I'll be a Killer take you off.
Show me some I'll be.
I'll be a
cliff. I give so much credit.
If me see me I go town for vex. If me see me I go town for vex. My color still a goat in the west. Ain't Bobby want the king and nothing less. About the bad no but no press and shot to stitch up on no.
Where is it?
Yes, sir. That be nice. I disrespect that. Allah, yeah, artist did I got on in a way you mean you're not thinking man. But hey, listen me now.
No, bro. The man, let me tell you. No, look at the man in music career. Man never that thing, so bro. Let me tell you honest man do that more do that.
You don't necessarily put in work in a art unless you want to. What's this?
Yeah.
But when it is in chronic Masicka that type of youth, I'm sure I said Masicka like 40 laws, but I know 40 laws of like back of me. I say if there are manipulative tactics there, you couldn't go by book as quote unquote with all bars I said. You wouldn't know if a tricky game. You wouldn't go naturally by a book. You say, okay, I tell tricky game, alkaline tricky game.
No, me not say that. Well, me not say man do that in a career, you know. Me I say in this song itself. You see, his song is a mirror. The part of when me reach this morning in 48 laws of power. Being that say, all right, I would like the brother. You understand? He might be this young artist here, where him know say, him have fun said way too. You understand? Yeah, people are going to look, people are going. You understand? So to me.
Yeah, me know what I say, man, but me I tell you, say Masicka when you know deliberately I think that.
Oh.
You want to build a family, so say man take care of a still like how much bad.
Okay, yeah, me get your point. Me get your point. Just like when you do with the balling. When I say you did a ball. Yeah, you know his ability in career if you say that, you're not bad. You're not bad man. Eh. So you have to go try test me. Me get your point through that. And it make fucking sense. It make fucking sense because we don't believe you in our front already up so in our track. So because I continue to get so.
And say, my son, man, I really belittle him, man, you know, but run the music when we hear more.
Flesh, we no demon, yam sex panther, some fish we pray man undress. Scared, me watch your pussy face father heard. When gunman, one punch crocodile west side on my sound. Pull it up and face in spoil up a crown. South side, anywhere we drive up. Suck pussy Tommy Lee, you will lie down a ground. Bout psycho, you cry to guy pan phone, I'm a break up. Pussy you a swipe your clown, shot a strike you. A gun rise down town, man a hype you. Feel we badness a home ground. Jump broke like dog, look a pussy where you on. Your Mali out yours, your career just a chown. A gunman buy can't in fat rounds, buy mummy yours. What? Straight cash not loan. Buy mine from my boss, couple whip, couple crumb. And that time I don't know, shut a flick now your dome. You pop the Mali, then you yam the dolly. Shut a cramp your body, rip up the freak now your bone. Hey boy, there you jail and I beg me call them, but the killer never do it. Come and say you're a clown. Trinidad, Guyana, Worcester, Georgetown. Linston, gonna fire pussy, miss you can't found. Circle mommy, you still 6 compound. You know, no, it's Likkle bricks run down. Carry some US and I lift up some pound. And I fly round the world, look a freak, watch your town. We shot fish, more hard for control. Me nah no than your bossy control. Buck him a go be and clot it on toll. Hot metal and no glass the pan hole. Sick of you run the game, no lost the control. Suck your mama boy, damp up and bowl. Can't spend when a saucy man cold and nasty man that you want 40 man roll. Watch 40 ball, bust and walk with man soul. People for dead, my dog them all stroll. Clip load, fire half in our moon. Me no beg links, me no laugh in I road. Nothing in me have me no braff in I road. Trigger press, brain jump off thin like toad. Stop get the girl them coke and no code. Take him off fine glow, I'm 17 on the board. Man take a fire. If me see me and the go down for vex, my color still go to the door. Hey, Bobby, want the king and none less. I'm a do bad no but no procession, Christian no. Hey, me no demon, yam sex. Fanta some fish and pre-man and dress. Scared, me see your pussy face father. When ground got one press. Try this stunt and him take care for stage. Look a boy down a river and in front of crowd. Me no ride man, wave some Masicka and walk proud. Me look a son Richard die on my talk loud. No rum talk, my gun talk, my talk straight. Rifle, lift up the head of a hand snake. Pines in a the clip and me nah shake. Hey, from we pull up on your foot and we jaw break, you can't beat. Run down oh pussy gun no draw late. Turn round the Uzi, boom, you can't wait. Pussy can't bully we, better bully beef. Turn up pressure with me iron and me can't wait. Feel you run up, make me crack it now your chance face. No coke, nah lie, pussy are your dog taste. Tapping bus joint, there's some boy pants place. Bad way, when I'm ball pan your last case. Could do wallet, big fish that, could do mullet, lick a budget. You want live off and you look a puppet, me no tuck it. Bust it in the face, boy, get the bucket. Grains of fire, boy, that you pick up it, slow it up, it show you 30. In your head and that and you dirty. Hope your woman pissing at your face, but you're not lucky. You left your badness when you see me, you feel chucky. You look a puppy, you want a down, you living mucky. If me see me and the go down for vex, my color still go to the door. Hey, Bobby, want the king and none less. I'm a do bad no but no procession, Christian no. Hey, me no demon, yam sex. Fanta some fish and pre-man and dress. Scared, me see your pussy face father. When gunman one press, regular. Anything I me a bleach with her. Belly full of clothes, casket, squeeze sugar. When the girl them skin out, so you eat dinner. Defend your friend, them a dead in nice street, nigga. Me see picture, them a snitch, and them a real switcher. Stop dance up yourself for your face stripper. You a bitch where you prefer for free liquor. Head lift and a pussy where you praise.
Yo, I tell you say you
Family answer back, you know.
Yo, destroyer.
Me don't know any name. I mean, dog text me and she can tell me.
Come me just go look
Good.
up a while at destroyer. I last chat me see, but it was them, the two chat them post the same time.
No, yeah, cause that means a family first drop it song, you know.
But the one way him do call Masicka name, he post 18 hours ago and the other one post 19 hours ago. But you me say no, you see when it come to Masicka and Tommy Lee, you see Tommy Lee rough voice, course up type of artist thing, type of sound. It's like that sound you get to resonating to people. People used to that too much. You understand me? I say people used to it too much.
I'm telling you, Masicka be thinking I know in a war. If you war continue.
Have one tree sound.
Yeah, cause watch you see sound.
Then one lighter sound and it like my tell you say, hey boy, you with dead look more. And
yeah,
then,
alright.
They say,
Where's song name? Where's song name talk about name? Butterfly man to walk and tie up the made with bandana, crazy piranha. Then chick back in that sound there. A Masicka chick back in there, so I don't know where I got done.
Yeah, that
I think I eat him though. Where's the name? Me never turn up a coat, cause the Lord me just can't chick me girl. Me no fall in love, me could do. You know that song there?
Yeah.
I sitting there, man. A current kick man.
Butterfly sitting there and a freestyle. Anyway, Masicka chick back in the voice there. I don't know where I got done.
A young Jenna days, a mixtape, mixtape Masicka. The time we get back mixtape Masicka, a madness. No, the time the man did up a freestyle, brethren.
Right after if it is I say I can hear it tree flow me attack.
But here we are going to
that
know.
style way you have now.
Here we are going to
that
know.
style way you have now, and that to me I run the business now. You see the time people get used to that style. You see when he can change that style. You see I would have like Bounty them in a dog. And that's why Bounty them career can't really go farther than way they know, you know. It's like he can't get another the new style of Masicka have now, the new sound.
Bro, I just want to work right now, man. You man have Wolf style, dog.
No, then about all dog, when me I say easy, could have Wolf style or not. And when it change, we have to see you change with it, bro. Alright, you change it. And that make you run the business, and that me I say.
Yeah, like Vibes Cartel.
Like Vibes Cartel. Like Vibes Cartel, dog.
Listen.
And that me simply try say, we not see that from Masicka yet. We still see on the tree sound there when start with.
Understand that. And listen what me I say now. I think this way me have to explain to people like you know. Masicka left on his fourth career, Chargy. You see in his first career, but it just a start a one different style set a style that where Jamaica in a year. It's like he did ahead in time. We never see he ain't ready feet yet, dog.
That down in a part who could hear like I do there. Where people could hear good. Come and say we could hear.
No, me always
like
hear me no, but
people could.
we
know we can't hear him, but me I say is when my down in
I try to say when you Cartel Jersey days.
Yeah.
You see, I go Cartel have a Jersey days there from back then. I eat him a try say, but the only thing some Masicka really bust the internet to that.
So that's
so
why
him find that stone
that's why me.
Well,
that's why me refer to it with I don't know because I must say I don't have that style too. Where I don't have to weed it bad, you know, but thing just never bust yet. So I may say that don't have part of the attack. Yeah, that time first part of career.
You see, in his second career, is the mixtape days, where he have more tune like See them a reach we gun and a move for knife. Selassie I son away is a life. Then look a conscious tune there.
Like you want to wind up on a you didn't know what we used to play where you might up on a wall with him.
I give it me all a different type of beat, different type of style, you know. And such is life on them there. But the things I'm gonna change gear, you know. After I drop the next album, like after I drop the EP, when I release the girl thing, the thing might change gear after I release the official album.
So we
have
this sound, you know.
Style them when put in our workings now, I eat them and go start bite. You can do it.
Yeah, because I'm telling you, as me say, the reason I can use it because I'm target the US market and the European market.
Yeah.
And that the style people in buy. That's why white sell off, so you know.
Yeah, then
that's why album sell. The album they must sell basically.
Because the style we have right now, why me tell you say it's a running thing. I mean, understand that.
Yeah.
So what I say is, you see next style if you forward up, you see if I am interpret, for example, I am starting and then you change the way there.
Yeah.
Or if it change, then I can change with it. You get to me I say?
Yeah. In my opinion, if you say next style if you come with, it's like a rich sex, find some girl like rich sex, and they say the same voice and style, use the sing some song like I'm in your corner, friend, and start trying some worldwide song like, oh, Michael Jackson have healed the world.
Yeah, that's that.
That's it, that's it.
So we have to
lose Jamaica.
Eh?
He might lose Jamaica.
Fuck Jamaica. You know buy album?
Like for example, right?
You know buy albums?
Like right or so.
It's loaded up, it's loaded 30 in your head and that and you're dirty. Hope your woman pissing at your face, but you're not lucky. And left your badness when you see me, you feel chucky. You look a puppy, you want to know you're living mucky. If me see me and the go down for vex, I can still go to the doors. Hey, Bobby, want the king and nothing less. I'm gonna do bad, no but no precision, twist it up on you. Hey, me no demon, yam sex. Man, got some fish and pre-man and dress. Scared, me see your pussy face fathered. When gunman one press. Anything I me a bleach with her. Me left full of clothes sugar. When the girl them skin out, so you eat dinner. Defend your friend, them under the nice street, nigga. Me see picture, them a snitch and them a real switcher. Stop dance up yourself for your face stripper. You a bitch where you perform for free liquor. Head lift and a pussy where you pray sicker. Me and the go down for vex. Michael is still go to the west. Hey, Bobby, want the king and nothing less. I'm a do bad, no but no procession, twist it up on you. Hey, me no demon, yam sex. But some fish are pre-man and dress. Scared, me see your pussy face father. When gunman one press. Pussy, I call your call from jail, a big man call up. Me hang up the phone, come know you're a snake. Remember that, no running, bad boy. Suck your mother, licky boy. Walk around and beg limbs. Junkie, now if kill you, you're a big fish. You see when some little boy attack, a murderer. Pussy, I call your call from jail, a big man call up. Me hang up the phone, come know you.
Go on here.
Yeah, me have some man of to hurry up because una go have the next song, this try I have to go deal with. Cause we don't hear this try yet. You know, probably close this. Tab also put this up on his sound and say, alright, room boom again, dissect this.
I'm gonna finish that. One per line just fly past the quiet man.
I intro more here. Why the outro me, the outro.
Pussy, I call your call from jail, a big man call up. Me hang up the phone, come know you're a snake. Remember that, no running, bad boy. Suck your mother, licky boy. Walk around and beg limbs. Junkie, now if kill you, you're a big fish. You see when some little boy attack, you're a murderer.
Yeah, 100! 100! Hear me, I say, Zed. There's some artists that go out there and mash up the thing in my youth. After man I try, what the vibes in the morning in my youth? You want the man called Masicka come 5 vibes on that place and they want mash up the thing in my youth.
You're informer, pussy, no one switcher. Run back every look you to automobile. Bad. Tell you again. Suck your mother. Stop get the girl them coke and take coke. Pussy. I call your call from jail, a big man call up. Me hang up the phone, come know you're a snake. Remember that, no running, bad boy.
Brother, really I tell me say hang up on the artist. Really?
Man, and that man just tell you. Bad.
Bad. Blood clot, dog. Hang up on the artist. That's like this, dog. No, boy, artist did I look at piece of food.
Nah, I say this, bro. Listen, man. You hear the line where the man say in Chevy.
Nobody from the Gaza need a blood clot. Wait. If you come from the Gaza,
why is he
I'm not trust it, dog. That's that alone, I'm not trust it.
Why is he wise up? You hear the line where the dog say a bricks in Berry. US in Berry.
Oh, that's very US and rise up some pounds.
Yeah.
And go around the world.
I fly around the world. Yeah.
Watch your tone. Watch your tone, freaky boy. I don't think that I'm really that fast enough.
How?
What the family?
No, remember when Tommy Lee did forward from jail, you know. He did have one whole heap of money a show for two US and Sydney a show in one room, you know.
No, man.
No, remember that video there. No, well, I know me, I tell you, remember that video there for two. When Tommy Lee forward from jail, he did have all of money a show like him a show say, this how much he makes since he come from jail. Remember good no man, and he did up. I don't know either Ling or one of them one day when I think they around Ling and them one day. And I force off. And he there show a whole heap of money when he there in one room sit down dog. You think he you them did it with him. So me understand what I'm saying. Well, I understand what Uno was saying. No? Say like him and say away. Cartel do then. Right? Me can understand that, you know? Yeah. But me I say, remember when Tommy Lee did do that video there? When he just come from jail. You see it?
Yeah, I understand that. Me just say me remember the video there still, but me it could have be that. But me just say, as me say in the beginning, me no feel like a Tommy Lee matter. Me feel like that. Remember in a few video where they do it jab the cartel jab back after he use it. He made a song, he made a video where say yo, we don't respect street niggas and rare. You see me? I never had a OG, rare. And cartel post a video after where say yo, Dubai, you see me I say? I feel like Nothing there come back after that. You see what I say? And then he proceed to address Tommy Lee and directly this cartel or bring up cartel again by saying, but control your boss or control your pussy, me nana done.
Mm-hmm.
You see me I say?
Go hard for control, your boss a control.
And badness a cartel a frightened Friday. You know cartel a go the road before them still. But you know two cartel have stood on in camera.
Yeah,
But
man,
here
I
when
say
man,
that.
my favorite verse when the man start and say, yo, a big fish that couldn't mullet. Bo climb and say, I live off your little puppet. How I puppet?
No skangy man say man. Say man they have a skeng money and earnings man. But a skangy man say.
The man say.
So right, skeng a joke on something.
Asking him back hype.
Right now, skeng, right now, somebody call me, man. I know it's a skeng. Alright, I plan to write up song. The one if man release it. Real thing, you know, car. Yeah, with this now. Time I tell Tall Boss when you sit here, you hear Tall Boss. You know, say every lie have a truth, you know. Every good lie have a truth. Every time I tell man, I listen, you know. No, a real thing, dog. Just link man, I tell me, say skeng, a right song right now. Billy, you hear? If you vice up.
I went name two Malipop.
Eh? No, man, like it, dog. Then they were studio, them, man. I like it, dog. I say, link me and say, you know, say, skeng a plan for drop a song.
Where song name? Two Malipop. Yeah, two Malipop.
Fucking boring encounter. Alright, I could see where you say it's a chat name, Destroyer.
This one, they say, what on there? Me don't know. The boy Tommy Lee just.
Big and promise tell me everything, you know. You really wanna get so big in life. You can't come back a big city. Gunshot go poke you.
Gunshot go poke you.
Fish and crooks in the swamp. Pussy on yam. One round. Shit more better to fuck. Man a killer on the subs in the sand. Crocodile yam dead meat in the swamp. Marks our secrets say fuck you and yam. Rich way and you still a pay loan for your land. Done fool car bail if I come for your van. Fish and crooks swimming on the same pan. Which king pussy wanna concuss. Rich like oh look a nigga talk up. We have land that the money and drugs. Rich and silence and the talk enough. We pop money on the punch up. The fucking Barbie and the dance. Fucking lame as I make it.
Where's the look one? Where's the
No,
look
me want
one?
to hear that too.
Where's the look one?
No. Two Malipop. What you say? Play back. Play
Where's
back.
the look one, dog?
Play back.
The bomb clot him say look one. How him say look one, dog? Hey
Play
boy.
back. Me just a.
You can't come back a big city. Gunshot go poke you. You can't be a goat and
Gunshot go poke you.
Fish and crooks in the swamp.
I can't crux him at all.
One round. Fish and crooks in the swamp. Pussy on yam. One round. Shit more better to fuck. Man a killer on the subs in the sand. Crocodile yam dead meat in the swamp. Marks our secrets say fuck you and yam. Rich way and you still a pay loan for your land. Done fool car bail if I come for your van. Fish and crooks swimming on the same pan. Which king pussy wanna concuss. Rich like oh look a nigga talk up. We have land that the money and drugs. Rich and silence and the talk enough. We pop money on the punch up. The fucking Barbie and the dance. Fucking lens and the talk enough. We pop money on the punch up. The fucking Barbie and the dance. Land that the money and drugs. Rich and silence and the talk enough. We pop money on the punch up.
Where here? We pop Mali and only pan drugs.
Yeah, we pop Mali. And we depend on drugs. That me here. I don't know. I'm going to go listen to this for myself. Sir. But me sure me here we pop Mali. And that is all enough. That is all me need to know so you lose the war.
so make you get fuck your Barbie and the time set. Fuck links and the time enough. We pop ballet on the punch up. Fuck your Barbie and the time set. Fucking lame, so make you get born. Yeah, be a green. Now watch your body.
I must say a Purple Island, Big
Ah,
City.
man,
I'm
man, say
Big and promise tell me everything, you know.
You really wanna get so big.
I make man do that try kill
Yeah,
himself.
come back a big city.
Until
I go him shall go poke you.
you can't be a goat and another than a king one time.
Cry you not killer.
Fish and crooks in the swamp, pussy on yam.
One round.
Shit more better than fox. Man a killer and the subs in a song. Crocodile and dead meat in a swamp. Marks our secrets, say fuck you and yam. Rich way, and you still a pay loan for your land. Done fool car bill if I come for your van. Fish and crooks swimming on the same pan. Which king pussy wanna concuss? Rich like oh, look a nigga talk up. We have land that the money and clubs. Rich and silence and the talk enough. We pop ballet on the punch up. I fuck your Barbie and the time set. Fucking lame, so make you get born. Yeah, be a green. Now watch you ball in a prison style. The film afraid chop your yard fully with all the pants. Anything where you serve, things them are your guide. Black rain fall and shake the sky. Team out of the whip on the rifle, me testify. On a 1, 2, 3, you attend the vibe. If I'm here, this mood I make it slide. I'm on this one away, time to die. Richest murderer, we not give a fuck. And no demons could have been a crook. We lose ball and say they where the talk. Any funny move where you rifle up in the fuck. Can I fuck? I ain't shine, I only know me cut. If war could have blood clot, talk how you do. You know I say you lean like the letter W. You just pat on the phone, nigga. Tryna make me buck up on the road, you know. Me know say you idol, I do it, yeah. Little house shot, you know, know certain code, you know. You know see a climax of your portfolio. When you're rich, when the title they show me, no. Voice a squeak like somebody hold your throat. Slit him throat and curry your goat. Bitch, I'm bad, pussy, we not talk, no. You must be a man, couldn't be.
Yo, nah, right now, so that's why Tommy Lee now go win the war. It's like Tommy Lee have too much sounds in a film track. It's like too much audio did if you listen, bro. It's like you see how when in the pan and I make a little sound them. Too much of them day night. You see Masicka one full of more clarity. Remember when Cartel clash the other man them. So cause all the way I say, remember a climax as in the Masicka be mother, you know. So but you want know him come and kill himself to me because him basically a confirm me whole I think the way man say. He must say yo, you only bad pan the phone. Me book in a person. That means say man this up on the phone for you, hang up on your blood clot. It's like I then you say, no what you balling. Like no what you balling your blood clot. You did a ball, brother. No what you balling a jail style or some shit. Brother, you did a ball, you could have deal. And you can confirm, you know, say you did a ball for you. So
After you deny already.
And I say, why artist would have try kill himself? It don't make no sense to me. He man kill it.
My
One
turn.
Devin did that time man pull off. One Devin did that time pull off.
My turn. With the belt.
Yeah.
Alright, listen me now. Me now on comment section for the TikTok and hear Father Aliens that tell me say, oh, Masicka, Tommy Lee, Grimy and Ray, when me I tell them say, dog, which war Tommy Lee win when he met Nyamil kill him? Zin Jamil kill him. Zin
I don't this.
Me say which war Tommy Lee win since Goated. And watch out with Goated. You see Goated is because as you say a few generation take champion Tommy Lee.
You could have said
you
Jamil.
see me?
You could have said Jamil.
Me say Jamil.
No, I wait a little while.
I want me to tell me a quote he comment to me make when me do lie.
Oh, but when me I said that, no, you could have said Jamil.
Nyamil man, me not deal with him. We not in jump out of the click. You see me I say?
So we have the three man left hand side of Vado. If you just this you so
yeah.
for sake of that.
And he not give me no good music.
You know, your man say they go be in Virgin. Load the youth, man. Load the youth, man.
So you're no. Me I tell them say Tommy Lee never win a clash. The only reason why he look like he win Bounty one is because few generation just never know Bounty. You see me I say so we just literally kill him. You see me? You see me? So
No,
what you know now?
me I tell you, see I know that alone. Tommy Lee have a newer
Well
sound. No, me just say this. Tommy Lee have a newer sound, but they have the older sound. Tommy Lee we automatically
yeah,
win. That me I say.
I see big man, he
Yeah.
under one group. And I say with generation did
Yeah.
a we didn't know about it dog. You see
Yeah.
me? A Tommy Lee. Zane, so what you know now? Zane. So listen me now. When you look as me said to you, say Tommy Lee, we have a better song. Listen for the man lyrics and tell me say you have a better lyrics. No, the whole Gaza full of chicks lyrics, dog. I just style they have. The whole of them have a style.
Oh, you have to say
Cartel
whole
full up.
Gaza. Oh, you have to say whole Gaza when Cartel have the most lyrics.
Now that me, listen me man, Cartel more style, brother.
Oh, so yeah,
Cartel
say.
just full up.
Oh, so we have to make a statement good. If
Me
it rests a Gaza, not Cartel, not the lead of Gaza. But you can't talk about the lyricist then way there.
No, he man a really lyricist, dog. He just full of more style with theme lyrics I have. Just like Alkaline. Alkaline have one little bit of lyrics, a Chichik's lyrics he have too, but he have whole of style, so he works.
Alright,
You
so
see me I
ask you
say?
one question. Masicka have more lyrics than Cartel.
No, sir, this somebody will have the most lyrics in a dancehall, right?
Alkaline have more lyrics than Cartel.
Fucking crazy. If
So
somebody will have
that
most
me
lyrics.
man. A Cartel.
Come
no.
on, man. Give me two more lyricists name now. Cause you don't name no lyricist yet, you know.
A Cartel, no.
Give me two lyricists name. You don't name none yet.
Bombocrat. I don't know. Have more lyrics than
Yes.
Cartel.
Yes.
Then time
Yes.
there. Then time there.
Yes.
Then time there.
Yes. Yes.
Then time there.
Yes. Yes.
But no.
Yes, yes, yes.
I don't stop the music. I don't start with a big red boot and sit in Belgium.
Yeah.
I don't
But
start compete with Serpy passing the Belgium. I don't an artist no more fam. I don't play
listen me
game,
now.
Call of Duty,
You want
or
next?
stream.
You want next name?
What next lyricist?
Yeah.
One back then lyricist.
No.
No, I know lyricist.
Mm-hmm.
Chronicler.
Yes, he have more lyrics than Cartel.
Chronicler have more lyrics than Cartel. No.
But bigger lyricist.
No.
No.
All right,
No.
yeah. All right, and you wanna that me I tell you say, you know, and that with people and them to farm a debate, you know. Because somebody we have to acknowledge that, you know, say at this point in the lyrics, Chronicler lead Cartel. But if Chronicler did forget the whole longevity of Cartel career, like if you try say, all right, you know what, church out Cartel Chronicler career, it couldn't work because Chronicler just for the year. But then when Cartel did have lyrics back down in jeans and what in my closet jersey when then lyrics they did fresh and new.
I just Chichik's lyrics.
Look at me only refer the more popular song. But me I talk about you know this total dog. Me I talk about remember when me step up in the code 615 for my case. Full Versace belt, full Versace lace. Me I talk about them type of lyrics song there. But me only refer
but them they are not dog. Them they are not really lyrics, you know. Them they are not whole heap of lyrics.
No, and a whole heap of lyrics. But me I say the way how he formulate it and give with the lyrics now them, for example, in a them time there. So me I say
So let me give back. Let me give
all right.
no, since yes.
Yeah, so yes.
Let me give up my first statement when I make now.
Because
if all guys have Chichik's lyrics, I just every one of them have one style except for Cartel. Him have multiple styles for theme lyrics. Cause of that we are say from laugh and shot them days charge. I just style Cartel goes and kill down here where a theme part, remember you know. Let him lean up like a suck up back juke.
Yeah, because me I say this from day one. How much artists are pre the business? How much artists could I give you the song called Business?
Exactly. Exactly.
And that no full of no and that no full of no extraordinary lyrics. But
when you look when you put it down like a rock god.
Then that me I try to tell you dog. So that's why me I say throughout the artist career and now. See? So now me can acknowledge say back then, I do know maybe did have more lyrics than Cartel. Yes. But
But then
now,
you have somebody better
but now
than
in
him.
a no
And no,
career. Alright. And I may try say the Cartel will up from so long to know where he might be have a less formal lyrics.
great,
But he
I
still will do
greatest
one it
miss
song. Simple that
him
me I
lead
say. So
saying, yeah,
well I know. So that's why at first when me did talk about Masicka, when me did I say, you see
mm,
when his style and his sound a dance all change. You see if a Masicka change like what Cartel used to do, or in change with
mhm.
it. You understand? And then time the way I go to say, yo, you know, say this youth are really a run the blood clot thing. And that me the simple as
And
say.
and that point where you say, that is why
Mm.
me say the next greatest thing to Cartel would be Alkaline because him have be a Chicks lyrics too and did the same thing.
In change
Use
with it.
multiple
In
execute.
change with it. Change with it. And change it too. You understand? So that me I say we need to see that pharmacy can know.
Yeah, call this. Matter of fact, this is
Ah,
my house. Is there no more?
and that's why me I say we need to
You see?
change that pharmacy can we need to see that pharmacy can know. When change find that tree sound as me I say. You rough sound like hey
Massive
boy you are gonna dead
artist.
little more. And then hey boy you are gonna dead little more. And then you know
It wasn't the artist for all and dancehall. And they want to see youth them eat, but him a hold the grip now can realize that film time and the crowd with him. So watch now back to Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee no have a Chicks lyric. So that and here we going now. It's a unpreparedness dog. Cause watch now, Masicka go through subliminal, long, drawn out war where him and Donia do for years, you know. So Masicka used to them the war there, you know. And he got through quick response, rhythm for rhythm war where him governor do when me would have consider governor one lyricist, not one six lyricist, you know, one lyricist. Is what me I say?
yeah, but
Yeah man.
then clash you know. Where's alright. Watch out. You know, I want to see Massacre don't know still. Take away
What
I say
man, no
that.
man, listen to the point now.
Alright, go on,
So
take your point.
Masicka proved to me in a them the category there for know say yo, in ready for a war, a clash, whichever level them boy I want carry it pan. Whether I be right now song to song like Vado and Cartel them deal
Mm-hmm.
or subliminal for over tracks. You see me, he don't deal with them that sitting there. Tommy Lee don't have that. The only thing he have is subliminal over tracks with Alkaline for a couple of years. You see me I say, so when we go boost for one song to song,
Yeah.
the artists here go feel bro. I hit me and tell us that there's aspects to war.
So well I know, alright.
You
When
see
you
me?
say well I know when you say them I go fail, see it's like I say family
Them go
automatically
feel
have to fail.
pure substance to be short time.
You
Hence
mean
why I'm shot himself so much.
no, so I may I say if them artists are gonna feel like Tommy Lee gonna fail.
No for them artists here, bro. No for them artists here.
Yeah, because what me I try saying now, what me I try saying now, see Tommy Lee go do back
Mm-hmm.
a track now. And to me, and I
Mm-hmm.
like when we there listen, the last clash was there with Mali and Cindy and Chronic Law. When Mali track drop and you have to say, yo, Bumbo lad, Mali a go hard, man. Mali a go hard, you fuck.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? It's like one perform a surprise. You see it? So I understand what you say.
Mm-hmm.
You never prepare for you war going into the war. So you know have all 6, 7 track lineup. See? But and you know, you see too Masicka don't have a sound and the airways attracted to him already. Him cannot come do
You
some
have to
things in
have
the shot.
what you have to have rebuttals, you have to answer the allegations and you have to set some of your own. That's a
And
one I rule.
Virgin and at that Cartel always try do. And that's why Cartel win
Mm.
one war to me.
After that,
Cartel try drop all 2 track. What it means I mean answer you and then I beat you. So is like Cartel
yeah,
a try lead the clash Cartel no one try the in part of replying. And you if you're replying to him or him a lead. You understand me?
exactly, exactly.
But me
So
I say, Tommy Lee start it and get the upper hand. But why not go win to me? Because I'm sound. You see, sound too old. People are go hear it and just
no,
too used to it.
I not sound too old. You know, listen when me there say, you know get the point of when me there say then when me I say a cheat chicks lyrics, but then just have a style to make it work. Just like popcorn dog. Have a style to make film cheat chicks lyrics work. You can agree with that, right?
Yeah,
At
but me I tell you
least.
say sound them all. So if like
Listen me no
how
man.
popcorn won't work
All,
and cartel
all,
won't work, you
all,
all.
you say a one style, the man them have dog, then cannot get another. So I see him whole sound you're going to get because I'm a Cheat Chicks lyrics and my sound me use back it up all the while.
But
Who don't know you
all
me
right,
sound
all
okay,
right,
but
all right, all right. So hold on. So you understand what me I say then say. If at the point when the sound when Masicka have, I go get irrelevant and he can change. I see him where you gonna look on him. And
yeah, me understand.
and I may say
Me
you more
understand.
find that with and I may say you more find that with dancehall artists. When me I say
Me
it's like when
understand
it
that.
change.
What you're saying. Me understand that what you're saying, but what me I tell you about in a Masicka cases, dog. Masicka have about 4 career when try already. This is 4th one where actually I excel. You see me I say
Yeah,
cap and the 3rd one.
this is only one where excel, bro. And this is me I say. This is one where excel now. To change from this to a next one where excel even higher than this one here. You know what I like when we see movie them we do? The first Fast 2 Furious we claim it's best one, you know. And the other one them to that
Alright,
played out, you know.
let me tell you exactly what me I talk about then. See?
Yeah.
You see in a Masicka 2nd career, in the have a song where say, yo, me love you like Jaja love earth, me love you like me mother love church. Me love see your girl in your tight
Yeah, me
shorts,
know the
see him
song.
where me love it skirt.
Yeah.
In the app there for them, but guess what? Him wasn't seen on the radar, so then song they go dead. Seeing?
Yeah.
If him were to take one of those flows right now and bring back one of them style and now that him have a wave and do it
You
back
feel like it
to
work?
how it would have make it alright, and that me the one you ask me. Rich Sex is the exact same flow and style of that song when me just say.
Alright, so look here, me ask that question saying you feel like say if we need not care back as far as Bounty, Cartel, you care back one night all, then Badman, Ukuman, Jukuman, Ray. That would work.
Dog, refreshing.
No, then we look here. You know what I try to say to you, say if you notice that all a dancehall basis from the producer them, you man Billy rhythm them the whole days man them talk. And that all I man them a ball for, you know. If you say yo Jamaica try follow the new thing too much. You understand? And you hear where dog did that say we just tune in that say about Masicka. It's like man it's like Masicka thing there. I don't want one hyper rap thing. Yeah, a hype rap thing or whatever. When I call it like you understand me? So but when me I say
A
is
hybrid.
yeah,
I
like
saw
a
him.
hybrid rapping. And I me I say,
I
well
can
I know
show
look
you
you know.
some career.
And that's why I tell you say the sound continuously change. You see Bounty Killer try to do that over and over. Try come back with this said old sound. And you see no matter how the track run for a week or two, and old people like we will usually dance all. Remember say, yo, I kill a genuine sound for real, you know. You just try improve, you know. You know go no way. And I tell you say it's like a sound continuously change because why? A generation in a dog. So tall
But
dog,
listen what me I said.
you see what me and you there, so I say, we don't hear about that from Masicka and say it to the work. Masicka good at do it and it don't work. And that me simple try say.
But you do it.
Because of the
And give me
artist.
me give you the exact example look while. You know hear what me I said to you.
Yeah. We are say I think
Me
do
give
it
you
in
the
a, no, but well I know you say do it in a one song. And it work. And me I say why it will work because me have the eyes pan him and he do it in a one song. If in changing complete flow. Like when you have now, when me I tell you about that chief flow the way people known for Masicka. For now. If you change that thing there, right? That alone will make it work. And I say,
He might drop one EP for girl them December 19. Watch out every flow changing and that, and I bet you me find couple old school songs for sure you say how the flow they come. I know that him I go do.
Alright, and me and you
Me go with
and well and me and you go a bit right now. And well and me and you go a bit.
yeah,
Me and you go a bit right now. Say majority of song them pan you go sound like this. Hey boy, you we dead look more. Hey boy, me say you we dead look more. In going in gear first course voice, then in gear the voice there. Like you might tell you say it like, hey boy, me say you we dead look more. Hey boy, me say you we dead look more. And then what you know, and then you have one in a middle. You have one in a middle where I say, like he just call me down and say, Like, you know, hear me say, you we dead, Likkle more. You understand? And that 3 flow they work with. And I bet you say, most I song them on it, I go have the flow there. Me and you bet that right now, before you even drop.
Me no want no unfair advantage. Me here says a girl EP, brother. You know, hear me say. So you not gonna have none of the hardcore set the way I think, but
Me not talk about the virgin lyrics. Me I talk about the sound. And me I bet you say I
you're
say it
not,
I go sound.
bro.
I
I
see
saw
how we
Rich
gon'
Sex
sound.
on. Rich Sex have none of that the way you just said, well.
Me not remember it sex right now. I have to listen to it for me remember that. To tell you what I say. So I'm
You might
type
have
in it.
seen and Rich Sex. Then
Well,
two
I know,
songs them,
let
me
me
sure I
type
got
in
them.
it. Let me type in it. I'll listen it. Cause me I tell you, say I said Flow man have actually in a every song. So me listen to that one and I hear for different thing.
Man with that link and shot himself in the foot, people. Sorry, we have to give it one good
My
listen
family
though.
is my world, and their safety.
Shot himself in the
No,
foot
I
too much,
don't know, I
man.
don't know.
Bumbo.
I don't know still, man. So let's not hear this.
Say it every time. Rich and me say it every time. Spend my money on you, cause you fine. Girl, you fine. Me put you in the latest, me in my prime. Pussy they are the greatest, girl I know for wine. Love it cause you no basic, so you want to shine. Like me in the studio, but you there for my mind. Straight to the top, you know me love you no design. Girl, your skin it don't see me when me come in every time. And if a currency me up in every kind. And you born that and nothing for my mind. Girl, your pussy worth millions, me have the dollar sign. So the two and we go together, me love it when you ride on. Love it when you ride on. Ride on. Girl, your pussy worth millions, me love it every time, girl. That's how we find me, I can't not decline. Bring the riches on your foot, you know the time. Till death do us part, I want me sign.
So me understand.
Rich and me say it every time.
So me understand what you say, though. It's like they see change night, you know. You see Kosa one of me I say, well I see Kosa one of me I say, hey boy, you we dead look come on. Well I listen me I say first man. I said that one day, now I'm going to involve in this, and I'm going to tell you why now I'm going to involve in this. This is a calm girl lyrics. So but I say, hey boy, that no need to involve in this, but here we two them were involved in this. The middle one where I say, remember me tell you we dead look come on. And then the next one I say, girl, you know where you way. You understand? When you go up on the higher pitch. I just then two they involved in this. So what you say is the next so your thing where you say true is a girl EP. More of this a flow go depend it. Then two they alone. Not the three of them.
More different. More, not the three of them. And watch you now,
Just the two
some
of them.
more flow about forward in there because there's also a song named Keys when I want you to listen to.
Alright, so what I know, I can understand what you say is like I go and introduce other flows in other EP. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, so that
anti-bet for unfair because me know that
no,
and I pre that. You see?
so at this me I say no say. Me still a go a bet say it a go sound like how me say with the 3 flow. You a claim to say a 2 flow, right? And me I say whether or not, you know. You see them 3 flow the way
Yeah,
artists have. Well, I know you see them 3
You-
flow the way artists have. As we I say, him a go introduce newer flow then instead of the panda higher voice, the middle voice, you understand? Him a go introduce newer thing. So me I say no say when he introduce them thing there, we are go can see it and say, yo, the artist I do it because I'm a change the thing. Like what Cartel used to do. You see it?
Mhm.
Yeah, so me understand
But listen,
why you refer to this as song. I know have the course one day night.
alright, play one song when you aim. Masicka, you know, Zane, love you. Love you. Think that's what your name is. Love you.
Yo, my that play this and do you know, cause
Yeah, man, me just want to show you how I sit in there.
Another ending love story.
Love is why you do the best you can for your family. Only the best.
blood clot that can give me advertisement bolo.
But love, yeah, that man said, dog, this kill you, see, dog.
Alright.
When you got me, cause give me say like
Pussy bring joy to me. Sit down for me body right now. Tell you say you bubble right. And when you call me cocky, me say like pussy bring joy to me. Baby, me love you like how judge and love earth. Me love you like how me mother love church. Me love see you girl inna your short shorts. Same way me love you inna your tight skirt. Hello, me love you like how judge and love earth. Me love you like how me mother love church. Me love see you girl inna your short shorts. Same so me love you inna your tight skirt. Pussy kina, she say yeah me push it in and make you come.
You can do
Don't make we fuck without the bootsy and don't make me cocky numb. I feel you how a man a stab it, you feel funny it when me done. Anywhere we go, we safe, you know me got me gun. Bad man a fuck you, you have to come first. Me cocky not dead, me bun us. Me shift your jazz, me slide in. I bless you, don't curse. Hello, me love your life, how judge and love earth. Me love your life, how me mother love church. Me love see your girl inna your short shots. See you.
Zane,
So
I
yeah,
see
sir,
him
this
flow.
So yeah, say this a flow yeah, if you say my introducing IV then.
No, I see him flow in tech, con carry a new time, con create rich sex. And look how rich sex slap, cause as me there say my youth.
Yeah, so me I say this a flow yeah, say him a go a work with my next EP.
Second generation, in second career Masicka. Them, you see me, at the Masicka, them feel like a forward pan the EP. You know what I say? That's all I say.
Alright.
Yeah, me that. You see me, come remember we say genocide long time in that. I don't have some people who know say swamp full. Nobody fly, come over here, man. I don't know how man, cause man this everybody long time dog. The man say Papi and Rhino are two female. The man this Tommy Lee, body man. For a long time, dog. I say bro, I don't know who man know this, bro. Zane, but everybody they afraid of G because what? Just like Tommy Lee said, look how nice song. We know your rate I down there. And that's why they afraid of him because they know say the boy you emulate I down there, dog. So we can't really go in now. Lyrical nothing with the boy. And I see say that's why I'm a walk a call every man name. Eh? After I know that the kill we are trying we just a try build. We not upon that. You see me? We not upon that.
Alright, watch out
No man.
people. I know see you go. Seeing? We won't call it a day right so.
Yeah, right now we are all this money
man.
review all 3 songs. Enough of them when I just make them video for the 3rd song.
Alright,
For
you
this
know
try. Big up for yourself, people.
Yeah,
You
man,
don't know
fully
I best
respect,
at the
man, you see it. Yeah, man, I
just for
respect
you.
Join the next one, same way, you know it go.